Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix battery drain after update on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings. Click on reset. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last solution is factory reset. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system. Click on reset phone, factory reset, erase all data, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix battery drain after update on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.